Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be unboxing the Darling Bead box, and this box is for the month of September. I'm getting caught up. I unboxed my other Darling Bead box before and I fell in love with it, and I have a feeling I'm going to love this one too because I love purple to start off with. And it comes with this little letter. It says you can learn more about the stones included in this month's shipment, both the properties of the stones as well as the metaphysical information. Here they're talking about Lavender Jade, which is an indication of what is included as far as natural stone in this month's box. And it says deposits of jadeite are not common around the world. There are only a few distinct places where Lavender Jade stone can be found. It's found in Myanmar, Japan, Russia, and Guatemala. And so it has the most impressive of Lavender Jade properties perhaps the stone's ability to protect the human aura. Wow. All forms of jade are considered to be luck bringers. I may just not sell any jewelry made with this one. I'm probably going to wear it all. And Lavender Jade is no different. Keep a piece somewhere you often frequent so that you'll regularly interact with it if more luck is something you seek in your experience. So it goes on, so that's so cool. It goes on to talk about the other ones, the agate and the amethyst, which is one of my favorite stones. And this one is, I understand, is a good crystal for protection. So just quickly, amethyst is mainly mined in the state of Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil. I've heard there's really amazing amethyst caves in Brazil, which maybe someday I'll get to go visit. Who knows? where it occurs in large geodes within volcanic rocks. So yeah, I've seen some videos on Facebook. All right, and then on the other side, as always, see it's September bead box, and then this month's box is called Nightshade. So we're gonna go through this. So let's go ahead and unbox. All right, so got this cute thank you sticker on here, and of course it comes like the bargain bead box. It comes in a organza bag. Ooh, I'm already liking it. Like I said, I love purple. So this is so cool. So we're going to, as always, set the little bag by the side over here. I've got my pen ready to check off what's in the boxes so that I can let you know. And let's see. Let's start. Number 12 is 36 centimeter strand, 4mm pearl luster plated faceted round beads in purple. Ooh, very cute, really pretty. Almost reminds me of Jolly Ranchers. It's such a pretty color. Look at that. And it's got a pearl luster to it. So these are 4mm little round beads, faceted. Number 22 is 30 pieces of 4 by 3.5 silver plated faceted oval spacer beads. These are really sharp, very bright silver. Nice. We can always use spacers. Spacers are always good to have. So they are oval shaped. Forgot to bring out my little mat. All right, sorry about that. So I'm not gonna pull it all out, but number 17, it looks like it's chain. So this is 1 meter of 2 by 3.5 silver colored iron twisted curb chain. So this is just curb chain, which is nice. I like to use this one, you know what, as extenders. Like a little bit of, on the extender, the chain has to be a little bit bigger, but this one is always really nice to add as extenders as well. The little bead at the end. So that's number 17. Number 13 is 36 centimeters of 4 by 3mm strand faceted glass rondelles in black. So really pretty. You have some nice rondelles. These are always fun to use as little additions, add a little bit of sparkle to your piece. So yeah, very pretty. Number 18 is 10 pieces of 11 by 6 millimeter platinum links with clear Middle Eastern rhinestones. Huh. Middle Eastern rhinestones. I never heard of that. Look at how pretty that is. These little rhinestones are very sparkly and they're perfect. They have two little sides to the backs, and you can use them definitely as spacers to add that perfect sparkle. I can't flip them over because then they get flipped over. But but this is, you know, the back and the front. So these are really pretty, very sparkly. Yeah, even if you look, they're just really clear. I don't know if you're able to see, if the camera can pick it up. It's just very clear stone. Really pretty. All right. 14 is a 20 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter glass pearls in purple. Look at those. I love glass pearls. I love any kind of pearls. They're very much in style again this season, as I've mentioned. So anything you can add to pearls, anything you, any of your piece of jewelry that you can add pearls, it definitely will be in style for this fall. And let's see. So these are 6 millimeter in size. Very nice. Number 16 is 50 centimeters of 2.8 to 3 millimeter amethyst cup chain and 10 pieces of cup chain ends, which is very, very nice to get those ends included. So then you don't have to go digging for them or wait to order them. So that was really nice that they included them. Very helpful. But look at how pretty this cup chain is. Beautiful cup chain. I like that this month's theme also, this month's tone is silver. Silver and purple, so pretty. Okay, you guys, I am grooving on this one. This is 17 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter natural frosted weathered agate beads in dark violet. But look at those, aren't they so pretty? Now when they say weathered, it's because they have that, like that crackling, but they're different tones of violet. I am so loving these. These are natural gemstones. And look at that purple. It's so beautiful. Usually I'm not, you know, I'm not big on the matte beads, but these are so pretty. And I think it's because of the variation in tones. So look at, like, this one has that line going through it, and then you get a spot of just deep purple, but the other side has crackling to it. Very, very beautiful strand. These beads are gorgeous. Number 8 is also beautiful. These are not matte. These are 20 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter natural lavender jade. I didn't know jade came in lavender. You learn something new every day. Look at that. It has a beautiful lavender tone to it. Very pretty. And these are 6 millimeter beads. Lavender jade. I love these. And number 4, we have 20 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter natural lavender jade. So this is another strand of lavender jade, but these are just bigger stones. Just as beautiful. Look at that. Look at this one. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to get it as close as I can to the camera, but I love that each bead has its own personality, so to speak. This one has more gray. This one is a deeper lavender. This one has a little bit of white. They each have their own special, that's the beauty of its own special combination of colors. This one almost looks a little pink. So, you know, it's what makes gemstones so beautiful. in my opinion. And of course, with natural gemstones, we definitely have to add some sparkle. So this is a 22 centimeter strand of 6 by 5 millimeter glass rondelles in light purple gray. Huh, light purple gray. When I first took them out, they just looked just pure gray to me, but now that they said it, I can see the purple gray. It's like more of a it's more of a cool purple. Look at that. I like these rondelles. Very interesting color, purple gray. For number 19, we have 30 pieces of 6 millimeter and 10 pieces of 11 millimeter silver plated bead caps. Oh, okay, so we got two types. Oh, here we go. These are the, whoops, I even got two of them to fall just perfectly. Look at that. So we've got the larger bead cap and the little one. So very nice. Look at that. Got one and one. They're both really pretty. Number 7 is a 37 centimeter strand of 4 millimeter light yellow faceted glass bicones. Oh, pretty. And they're yellow, but then, you know, as you turn them and they sparkle, you can see bits of violet or light purple. So that is really pretty. They definitely, as yellow, they do match the purple, but it's not a loud yellow. It's just a beautiful touch to where it doesn't look like a football team. Football team's colors. Hint, hint, Vikings. Here for number 20, we have some eye pins. Everybody knows what eye pins look like. So you get 30 pieces of these eye pins. So that is very nice and always needed. Number 10 is one of my favorites from this box. Look at that. How pretty are these? Oh my goodness. These are 2 pieces of natural amethyst pendants with stainless steel snap-on bails. Aren't these pretty? So pretty. Huh. They have different, look at that, different shapes to them and different tones. Then you have the bails here. They come with the little bails, so that's super cool. And this one, a little bit lighter, amethyst. Very pretty. Wow. Ooh, we have some more pearls. These are so pretty. This is a 41 centimeter strand of 4 millimeter glass pearl rounds in light lavender. Look at that. These are so pretty. More pearls. Slowly I've been collecting pearls and more pearls. I need to do something with them. Look at, what do you guys think? Aren't they pretty? Really, really nice. All right, so for 21, we have some clasps, which are always needed and very much appreciated. So we have some round toggle clasps and a square clasp and a lobster clasp. So always nice, because then you're not digging for the right clasp like those. And that they're not all the same. So that is nice too. More pearls. Look at how gorgeous these are. And these are 15 pieces of 12 millimeter glass pearl beads in a dark purple. Fun. So pretty. Even if you just put, you know, some beading wire on them and a clasp. Beautiful. That, you know, they just have a personality of their own. Isn't that pretty? I love these. Very, very beautiful. But of course, we have to mix them up with some natural stones to make it even more beautiful. Look at this gorgeous guy here. That is stunning. So this is 1-piece teardrop shaped of natural lavender jade pendant. Lavender jade. That is so cool. Huh. I don't think I've ever ordered Lavender Jade amongst my gemstones. So that is really pretty. These are stunning. Of course, this is going to be wire wrapped. So stay tuned for a tutorial on this one. Look at how pretty that is. And these are 25 pieces of check fire polished 6mm beads in crystal dark purple. You know, these almost look like natural gemstones, that they're so well made, because they have different, say dark purple, but they have different little, you know, light purple going through them, like crystal in there. So you got a little bit of the dark purple, and then you can see flashes of just crystal. Really pretty. Like I said, they look almost like natural amethyst, which is very cool. Look at how fun these are. Are these not beautiful? Wow. These are 8 pieces of 12 by 9mm half purple plated faceted glass rectangles. I want to get more of these. See if you add, how pretty are these? This one has a little bit of purple and yellow to it, but on the back they're silver backed, which makes the color inside of them stand out more. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Whoa. I love these. Again, so like if you use these with those yellow bicones and some of the purple what you call it? Of the purple pearls. Oh my gosh, I can just already see them together. These are beautiful. And last, but certainly not least, because these are gorgeous too, this is a 33cm strand of 6mm light yellow glass triangle beads. Again, you can see some purple flashes through here, or violet flashes going through it. These are, I've never seen, I don't think I've ever ordered any like these before either. They're triangles, but like faceted. Look at, once you put them together, look at how beautiful they look. Isn't that pretty? Just stunning. Wow. Very beautiful. All right, you guys, so this is the bead box for the month of September. Of course, tutorial coming soon. And again, I'm blown away by the quality of the beads, the coordination, what's included. They're just beautiful, and Darling Beads has stunned me again. I love this subscription box. It's something that if they continue like this, I am definitely going to keep, I'm definitely going to stay subscribed to. So if you watch this ever, Darling Beads, please do not change. So if you like this video and you want to see more Darling Beads unboxings, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that little bell so you get notified when I upload my next unboxing or tutorial. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that it is shown to more people that enjoy beads as well. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.